In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image in Microsoft Teams. If you're joining a video call and want a clean, professional look without any background distractions, you've come to the right place. With just a few simple steps, you can remove your background image and ensure your video feed is just the way you want it. First, let's navigate to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by searching for Microsoft Teams on Google. Once you see the official site, go ahead and click the link to reach the main Teams page. At this point, you should see an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials, enter your email and password, and you'll be directed into the Teams environment. Once you're inside Teams, find and click on the calendar icon. This is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Navigating through the calendar will bring up your scheduled meetings. Look through your list and click on the meeting that you're planning to join where you'd like to remove the background. Go ahead and select the meeting of your choice. With your meeting selected, locate and click the Join button. As you prepare to join the meeting, you'll be presented with a few options. Make sure your camera is turned on. You'll want to enable the camera if it's not already activated. To do this, find the camera icon and ensure that you've clicked it so your video feed is alive. Once your camera is on, direct your attention to the option labeled Background Filters. This is an important part of the process. Click on Background Filters to proceed. Now, you'll be presented with different background options and filters for your video call. But we're aiming for simplicity, so what we're going to do is select the option labeled None. This choice will remove any existing background image or virtual backdrop you've previously applied, leaving you with a clear, natural visual. And just like that, you've successfully removed the background image in Microsoft Teams. By following these straightforward steps, you can join your meetings looking professional and focused without unnecessary distractions. This process is quite handy, especially in environments where the background might be a little cluttered or you just prefer a minimalist approach. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.